How to protect yourself from scams in Zelle. First of all, always be cautious when sending money through Zelle. Only send the money to people you know and trust. Avoid sending funds to strangers or anyone who pressures you to pay quickly. Next, double check the recipient's email or phone number before sending payments. A small mistake could send money to the wrong person, which is often irreversible. Also, be aware of phishing messages, emails, or calls claiming to be from Zelle or your bank. Zelle will never ask for your personal information, passwords, or verification codes through email or text. Make sure to enable app notifications for payments and requests so you can monitor all transactions in real time. Regularly review your account activity and immediately report any suspicious transaction. If you encounter a potential scam, use Zelle's report a scam button or contact your customer support directly. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or providing personal details outside the official app or website. Finally, educate yourself about common scams, stay alert, and follow Zelle's official security guidelines to protect your money. Now you know how to protect yourself from scams in Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.